I'm Sharon Bulova, Chairman of the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors. The Board of Supervisors is a 10-member body, and we are the governing board for Fairfax County. The Board of Supervisors directly oversees public safety, human services, public works. I was elected to the Board of Supervisors as the Annandale, then Braddock District Supervisor in 1987. And then I was elected chairman of the Board of Supervisors in 2009. I like to describe my job as sort of being the orchestra conductor. And so I preside over board meetings and make sure that we are moving forward in a positive direction. And then I'm responsible sort of for the overarching priorities of the board. I never thought that I would go into politics. When I was growing up, I was kind of a shy kid. I liked to write. Actually, my dream job was to write children's books and illustrate them. So I sort of consider myself to be an accidental politician. There is no such thing as an average day in my job. Sometimes my day will start with giving a speech or a state of the county at 7:30 or 8 o'clock in the morning. Sometimes I won't need to come into work until my first appointment at, say, 10 or 11 o'clock. When I have days like that, I like to go running. So I'll attend an NVTA, and Northern Virginia Transportation Authority meeting, or NVTC, Transportation Commission meeting, or Northern Virginia Regional Commission. So I will spend my weeks usually going to one or more of those organizations. Every other Tuesday is a board day. When we're not meeting formally, Tuesdays are board committee days. And so all day from, say, 9 o'clock in the morning until 5 o'clock in the evening, we'll meet as committees. I meet with constituents. Folks come in to share with me something that they feel I should know about. I have a policy that is an open door policy where I pretty much never refuse a meeting. The day usually ends later, so I don't usually go home for dinner. I'll usually work until either 7 o'clock or later if I have an evening meeting. The biggest issue that's always facing Fairfax County is budget, and making sure that we are striking the right balance between keeping taxes affordable for our constituents and making sure that we are investing in what is needed to maintain a world-class educational system, quality services, a clean environment, and compassionate human services. So there have been a number of things that I've done during my time as chairman, bringing people together, engaging the community, building transportation, the VRE, the Virginia Railway Express. We have evenings on the ellipse in the backyard of the government center. And that's not just frivolous. It really is bringing people together with their local government officials in a positive way. I never set out to be in local government or to be in politics, and yet this is exactly the place where I find satisfaction and where I want to be.